Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and I am super excited to announce that I have been asked to join Kendra's Card Challenge team. So I'm super excited to continue to share my cards that I create using Kendra's Card Challenge 13. This is a free quarterly challenge. You need to join Kendra's Patron as a free member to download it, but again, it is free. And I will talk more about the challenge and this hop today and everything as I put my cards together, but I just wanted to share what I'm using to create my cards. Today I'm going to be creating cards using sketch 7 and 8. So again, this is a brand new quarter, so it's a brand new challenge. Lots of prizes to be won. Kendra's Card Challenge, you use six 6x6 sheets of paper, and it gives you 15 cards, which gives you a cutting guide, and then the sketches. And again, lots of prizes to be won. There's lots of sponsors and super sponsors. For my cards today, I did feature super sponsor Pink and Main. I used the Crafty Courtyard kit that was it Bookmark or Bookworm. Comes with cardstock, stencil, paper, stamps, embellishments, all kinds of good things. I will have everything linked in the description box below. And then for my second card, I did some foiling, and I used the Crafty Fun foilable kit. It comes with backgrounds and sentiments. And then I used the Lots of Love gold sheer foil and the Fairy Wings pink sheer foil. And then I did bring in some paper from Cat Scrappiness, who is also a super sponsor. So those are the products that I used. Again, I will tell more about the hop, the challenge, all the details as I share my process for the cards. I did want to point out now, though, that this is a giveaway hop. You can fill out the Google form once per stop on the hop, and everything is linked below. And I'm going to insert a graphic here. And in that form, it'll ask you for the phrase from that stop. My phrase is Craftin' Kimmy. Again, my phrase is Craftin' Kimmy for the Google form to enter the giveaway. And again, for this hop, fill it out at each stop to be entered to win lots of fun prizes. All right, so with that, let's get busy and see what I created. Before I get to the process of putting sketch number 7 together, I just wanted to clear up that paper F, and it has the dimensions for a layer. That goes right on top of this strip. So it is a separate piece. So you'll have this strip here, like that. So that's A and paper A there. And then this gets its own little mat, and it sets right on top of that. So it looks like it's hard to show that in a sketch, but I wanted to just point that out before I got started on the full process, so that you know that that does have its own matting, its own like layer, and it just goes over the top there. All right, so here we go. Let's put this card together. As I put this card together, just want to go over a few things again. I am part of a hop. In the title, there is a hashtag. Go ahead and click on that, and that should bring up all the videos in the hop. If it doesn't, linked in the description box is a list to everyone's video. Be sure to hop around and see all the creations, because I know that you will get lots of inspiration from this. As I previously mentioned, there is a prize. Enter, and you have like multiple chances to win. Every stop has a secret giveaway phrase. You fill out the giveaway form at each stop and mention the giveaway phrase. When you fill out the form, the deadline is January 12th, and the winner will be randomly chosen and announced on the Cards by Kendra YouTube channel under the community tab. Also want to just re-mention that this Kendra's Card Challenge is a free quarterly challenge. You join Kendra's Patreon as a free member to download. Again, it is free. You take 6 sheets of 6x6 paper, you make 15 cards, and you can enter once a month to win prizes from all the sponsors. There's so many wonderful prizes. Sponsors donate amazing prizes. We have super sponsors that donate prizes and also products to the team to use. Such a fun challenge, and it's a great way to build up your stash. You can make all 15 cards, or you can just choose individual sketches to make. You can create your own. You can switch it up. It's a great jumping off point. Just so much fun. So I think that I covered everything for Kendra's Card Challenge and the Hop. If not, if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. And I will let you finish watching how I put sketch 7 and sketch 8 together. I'll put on some music. I did not color on this video. I just doing 2 sketches. I didn't want to make it too long. And I also did not show, coming up I will have foil. I did not show the foiling process, but I will have lots of coloring and more, and I will be showing foiling on my channel in the future. So if you're not already subscribed, why not hit that subscribe button and click the bell for notifications. And let's finish watching me put these together. Oh my goodness, I can't believe that I forgot to mention a special thing about this quarter's challenge, and that is that Kendra's Card Challenge and Crafty Owl's Sheetload of Cards are doing a collaboration. So you will see on the printable for Kendra's Card Challenge, there are several of the sheetload sketches, and this month's sheetload of cards is one of Kendra's Card Challenge's sketches from last quarter. I feel so special that I'm on both teams, so I kind of got to see the best of both worlds, but definitely check out both challenges, Kendra's Card Challenge and Crafty Owl's Sheetload of Cards. All the information, again, is in the description box below. All right, on to the process. Before I let you go, here are the 2 cards that I created. This is with sketch number 7, again using that Pink and Main Crafty Courtyard kit. Reading is dreaming with your eyes open. I did do the coloring off camera for this one since I was sharing 2 cards. There's the inside, and then there's that fun sparkly one. Behind every crafter is a big mess. So much fun. I just love foiling. There you go. I was going to show the foiling on camera today, but with showing 2 sketches, I didn't want to take up too much of your time, but look for it on my channel in the future. All right, go do something for yourself and go get crafty, and make sure you hop around and see everyone's inspiration. Bye now.